Atlas dares to bring to you a disturbing, devastating, cinematic experience, a triumvirate of today's brilliant young stars. Gerald Madrid.
Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo na maaga pamasko?
Marcos Madrigal.
Ang sabi mo, pamimigay mo lang ako uli.
Masama ba yun?
Kumita ka na nun, tama na yun.
And local cinema's newest sensation, Ayla Marie. Boys are tempted. Even with her eyes closed. And when she opens her eyes, Fantasia. Batang Pro.
I believe she's pretty. Really? Yes, she's pretty.
The youngest in the oldest profession.
Kahit sino ba pinapatulan mo?
May choice pa ba ako? Wala na ako nararamdaman.
What pushed them to the streets, looking for affection in a loveless world?
Ikaw pala lumalad eh!
Huwag kayo maniwala sa kanya. Pinagdala niya ako, pinilit niya ako.
Dito gusto mo pinapatulan mo! Alam mong mapapari yan! Sumama ka na! Pakinabang! Nay! Lumaba kayo! Paano na yung mga pangarap natin, Nay?
A powerhouse cast. Elizabeth Lopez, Bulunix, Tommy Abuel, John Marcin, John Amasile, Roy Rodrigo, Leo Rabago, Nanette Inventor, Melissa Mendez, Richard Kwan, Anita Linda, and in special role, Ana Capri.
Ay, bumubula yung swimming pool.
Tanga, hindi swimming pool yan. Jacuzzi yan, no? Gusto mo? Paliguan kita.
Nakukonsensya ka!
Sino nakukonsensya?
Ikaw!
Huwag kang magbiro ng ganyan, Milet.
Milet! Milet!
Wari. Lumabas kayo!
The youngest in the streets. And the easiest to find. Meet her.
Then love me.